Hello and welcome to another vlog. Today's going to be a little bit different. I need to kill two birds with one stone. I need to do a vlog and I also need to wash the car. So I thought, what a better opportunity than to do car photography. So that's going to be the theme of today, is first of all getting the car prepped and then taking it to a location and doing a few shots with it. This will be quite useful if you're into car photography, but also if you're looking at selling your vehicle as well. A lot of images online are very sort of mundane. They've not even bothered washing the car, and I think it's all about the detail, certainly when you're selling a vehicle. My vehicle's not for sale. It's something I've had for quite a few years as a bit of a toy, and hopefully my son will inherit it in the next few years. Saying that he's only 10 at the minute. So yeah, come and join me. We're going to give the car a good old wash first of all. So a little bit of B-roll on there, and then we'll take the car to the location. So right, let's go. First of all, my keys. Fly tipping, absolute nightmare. So I've just parked the car now just on this back lane. It's a bit of a dusty lane. The issue with driving along something like this, obviously after you've washed and polished it all day, is you're going to get a little bit of dirt on the car. So it's always handy to just bring a wet cloth with you, just to sort of touch any areas, not to rub it, just to give it a quick touch if there's any collecting dust areas on the side of the car. So I've just gone through that now, and the car seems to be as clean as it can be. So I'm going to start taking some images, and just like any photography, it's important that we have the right light. We've got the sun setting just to the rear of the car now. I might change the position of the car in a little bit. We've got the sun setting over in the distance there, which will just add some nice colour to the car, certainly with the yellow glows that are going to be coming through. We've got a field full of wheat in the background as well, so I'll probably incorporate some of that. So we're just going to focus now, just sort of getting the shot set up, sort of seeing what I can do, sort of composition wise. Obviously avoiding the rubbish that's been dumped in the background there. Absolutely despicable. So yeah, we're just going to have a look now, sort of see what compositions I can get hold of, and yeah, what we can do. Now, I've brought the Nikon D810 out with me today. This is my sort of go-to camera. I've got the tripod with me. Now, with anything like this, we don't really need the tripod. But I'm just going to do it just to see what sort of images I can get and sort of slow me down, really. And yeah, just sort of set up the shot a little bit better. Now, with any car photography, because you're dealing with a shiny paintwork, shiny wheels, shiny lights, etc., it's all a good tip is always have a polarizing filter on the camera, and all it does, it just cuts down the reflection, the glare from the sun, and it just gives a bit of a darker, deeper color to the car. Yeah, just really gives it a little bit of a unique look. Right, we're going to start now and take some images. So I've taken a few shots around the vehicle now, just sort of highlighting the features like the wheels, focusing on the door mirrors, the fuel cap filler, the Audi badges, the Quattro badges, things like that, things that are going to make this, you know, sort of make it unique to an Audi TT really. I'm shooting currently just f2.8, and that seems to be working quite well, certainly for the sorts of shots I'm looking for. So things like foreground interest, like the blades of grass, they're all completely blurred out, so the main focus is on the car. It's not like normal landscape photography where you're trying to get everything in focus, everything sharp. No, it's just unique elements of the vehicle that you're trying to incorporate. So what I'm going to look at now is just make it a little bit more mean and moody. So I'm going to park the car actually in the centre of this gravel road. Now, I've been here now for about 15 minutes. There's been nothing coming up and down, so I think I might be quite safe to park it in the middle of this road here. Wheels angled as well. I always quite like that shot, the way that the wheels are always angled. You tend to get that a lot in the magazines. So I'm going to focus with the road as a leading line onto the car, but I'm going to try and keep the car onto one of the rules of thirds as well. And yeah, what I want to do is try and get a little bit of open space of it as well, so you can get the surroundings, so the car's kind of embedded into the scenery, if you like. It's sort of part of the landscape. So yeah, that's going to be the next step now. So I've just moved the car behind me, just by this wheat field here. The sun, the way it's hitting the wheat is absolutely glorious. It's giving this real golden colour to it. So that's really enhancing sort of the colour of the car. With the car being blue and you've got the yellow in the distance, it's sort of main colours really that will go well together. So I'm going to take a few more images from here. The sun's not long till setting now. It's now 8:30 or 25 to 9, so we're well into golden hour. So I'm just going to focus the next couple of minutes just on trying to get those last few shots. I've taken a few already. I've had the lights on, the lights off. I'm not really sure which ones work the best on that. I'll have a look at them in post and yeah, take you through that as well once I get the images into the computer. But yeah, it's something a little bit different. Like I say, it's no landscape image, but it's certainly the same principles as landscape photography. You've got to have the light, you've got to have the right settings on the camera. The polarizing filter is a must. That is a definite, guys. If you are going to take photographs of vehicles, polarizing filter, without that you just lose a lot of the color sort of pre-post. So it's a bit of a tip there for you if you like. Got interrupted by the one and only car that's just come down this road. Well, not is so bad. So yeah, I'm going to just focus now, taking a few more images. When I speak to you next, I'll be in the studio just editing these images and sort of seeing what we can get in post. So right, catch you in a bit. So I hope you've enjoyed that vlog and I hope you managed to get something out of it. I certainly did. It's the first time I've really taken the car out and done car photography. So I hope you've liked the images. If you have, and if you like this vlog and you want more, yeah, give me the old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And yeah, leave a comment and let me know what you've managed to take away from this. Well, from here, from Warrington, at home, probably time to say goodbye. Cheers now, thanks for watching, bye-bye.